Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh. I am back with same chapter, that is windstorm and cyclone, and today we are going to learn about tornado. In my last video we studied about thunderstorm, and tornado is quite similar to thunderstorm but it is stronger than thunderstorm. Okay, so let us read about tornado. So what is tornado? It is a violent, dangerous rotating column of air extending from the surface of earth to a thunder cloud. Okay, its shape is like a funnel. So basically tornado connects earth and cloud. Okay, the surface of earth and cloud, and the shape is like a funnel, like this. This is the shape of a funnel. So basically the shape of tornado is like this. So it is a kind of dangerous violent storm, and which accompanied with heavy clouds, strong clouds. Okay, so what happens, as we discussed during as we discussed in thunderstorm, when earth heat ups, like surface of earth jab heat up garam ho jata, then the air which surrounds the surface of earth, that also heats up, and after that it becomes light in weight, and light the air which becomes light in weight wo kya hoga, upar uthega, it will rise up and up and up, and finally goes to the upper atmosphere, and बहुत ऊपर जाके it will like condense, because थोड़ा सा इसे cold surface मिलता है, so it will condense and convert into water droplets, and during the time of condensation heat will be released, क्योंकि जो water vapor है that is having heat, and during the process of condensation, conversion of states of matter, heat will be released. Then फिर वहाँ पे air surrounding the cloud, then it will again move up and up and up. Okay, so in this way the hot air, the lightweight air will move towards the upward direction, due to which low pressure area will be created on the surface. Okay, on the lower surface. Now what happened, the cold air which is found on the upper atmosphere will move towards down to fill the empty space, to fill the low pressure area. Okay, so that is why I make arrow like this in this direction. So basically it is cold air along with heavy cloud will revolve like this in a spiral kind form. It will move towards the surface, towards the low pressure area. So in this way tornado is formed. So basically tornado is a heavy dark cloud along with heavy storm that touches the earth. So basically it looks like it extending from the bottom, from the surface of earth to a thunder cloud, but basically it comes from the thunder cloud from the upper atmosphere towards the surface of earth. And while moving down, what happens, because here is low pressure in the center, low pressure area, due to which the air is moving towards the center of the this tornado. Okay, so because here is low pressure, so the nearby things, whatever things nearby this tornado will shut up by this low pressure area. That things may be dust, or that may be trees, buildings, vehicles, animals, human, anything can be sucked by this low pressure area, and it will revolve in this low pressure area, and finally the dust may come out from this upper part of funnel. So the upper surface of the tornado will look like dark in color, heavy dark in color, and heavy clouds can be seen, and dust can be seen in extended form, because dust will come out in each direction. हर तरफ dust बाहर आएगा from the top of this funnel, from top of this tornado. Okay, so we got to know about tornado. So in again I want to repeat it by the steps that I have written here. So what happens when all this happens, like hot air rises up, then it condenses, then lose heat, then again that hot air rises up. Okay, and during that time there are some cold airs are found on the upper atmosphere that that will rush towards bottom to fill the gap, that low pressure area. Okay, so all these things happens and finally it comes in the form of a funnel. So the shape of tornado is called funnel shaped. Okay, and the diameter of this low pressure area, this central part, will be around some meters to 3 kilometers. कुछ मीटर से लेके 3 kilometers can be the diameter of this tornado, जो tornado होता है उसका. And this narrow part will look like that it touching the surface of the earth. So basically it comes from the cloud towards the surface. Okay, thunder clouds towards the surface. Now all these things in this statement, what I have written, the upward movement of hot air and downward movement of cold air leads to stormy wind, and that wind accompanied with heavy clouds, and then it sucks dust from its surrounding, and the rest of the things, it depends upon the strength of the tornado, कितना strength है इसका. So अगर बहुत ज़्यादा strength था, that means it will suck the maximum things that comes on its way. जो भी इसके रास्ते में आएगा सभी को ये suck कर लेगा. That depends upon its intensity, कि कितना stronger tornado है. बेसिकली इंडिया इज़ हमारी कंट्री में टॉर्नेडो इट नॉट अकर्स एक्चुअली, बट इन अदर कंट्रीज लाइक अमेरिका एंड सो मैनी कंट्रीज टॉर्नेडो अकर्स नॉर्मली वहाँ पे आता ही रहता है. सो बेसिकली दिस इज़ वी कैन से अ डेंजरस फॉर्म ऑफ थंडर स्टॉर्म, उससे भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स हैपन्स ड्यू टू प्रेशर डिफरेंस, टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस. So here high temperature, so low pressure, here low temperature, so high pressure. So basically due to the difference between temperature, the movement of air will take place, and it comes in the form of spiral and finally forms a shape of funnel. Okay, we can say cone as well. Funnel is look like a cone. Okay, so now अगर कहीं पे थंडर स्टॉर्म, अगर कहीं पे टॉर्नेडो आ गया, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रिकॉशंस वी शुड टेक. फर्स्ट थिंग, डोंट मूव अवे फ्रॉम योर हाउस. सेकेंड थिंग, टेक शेल्टर इन अंडरग्राउंड रूम्स. इफ एनी फ्लोर दैट इज अंडरग्राउंड, किसी बिल्डिंग के अंडरग्राउंड में, तो टेक शेल्टर ऑन दैट रूम ओनली, एंड क्लोज द विंडोज एंड डोर्स, एंड सिट अंडर अ टेबल और बेड. ट्राई टू सिट अंडर अ टेबल और बेड and go down on your knees. Like जब बैठते हो तो your head should be like this, head should be down. So this posture is called go down on your knees, और knee पे touch करके बैठ जाना. So that by doing this we can protect our head. Head is the most important part of our body. उसे हम बचा सकते हैं इस तरीके से, safe रख सकते हैं. Okay. So basically tornado is a high speed wind, and it accompanied with heavy clouds and dust storms as well. I hope you understood the topic. Now you look at the screen. If you have any doubt, any queries, then you can write in the comment section. Now look at the screen.